Manipur Da Tangdu Leitaba Hanjilhannaba amadi nungai yaiphaba puraknaba Leingak Achetpa Phirep Lei haina Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman phongdokkhre. Wafam asing ngarang Rajya Sabha Jathakiba Manipur Appropriation Bill 2025 khanabagi session da mahakna phongdokhibane. Manipur Appropriation Bill 2025 khanarakpada opposition gi maikaidagi hanglakpa wahonggi paukum piraduna mahakna hai. Leibak asigi state ayamba athu akai gi oina sijinnanaba contingency fund kaithokuna thamlabasu Manipur gi oinadi fund asi thamdan leirakle phibam asi kenglaga Leingak asini state asigi contingency fund oina lupa crore chamanga kaithokle hojik lamdam asida thokliba irang asina maram oiraga state asigi semilonda achoba chaitheng ama pire state ki semilon asi yenglaga center ni state asigi semilon fagat hanaba khungjal yang honare Manipur Da Tangdu Leitaba Hanjilhannaba amadi nungai yaiphaba puraknaba center Leingak ki Achetpa Phirep Lei Opposition ki MP sina Manipur ki budget asida meeting thambagi mahut political gi khudong chaba lawnaba honarakpa asi yamna laibak thibane Leingak asina Manipur gi matang da hakchina lawbaga loinada Manipur gi yaifanaba ki tamak lepli haina mahna makha takhi.
So 913 crores are being given under the special assistance for states capital investment. That is for 24-25, sir, the current running year. Other than this, Manipur as a state had never had contingency fund created for itself, which is very important, and most states create and have contingency fund arrangement because that helps them to meet with emergent situations. So we have created now a contingency fund for Manipur with 500 crores being given to them. So that is about the supplementary demand for 24-25 Manipur budget, sir. We extend the fullest support from Ministry of Finance so that the recovery of Manipur will be sooner rather than later. And we have absolutely extended all assistance, and in the meanwhile making sure the public finance and the fiscal situation of Manipur is well assessed. Central government will be fully of support to the state.